This lesson will guide you through the essentials nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and articles. Welcome to English Basics, where learning English is simple, clear, and fun. Remember the colors; they can help you understand which part of speech the word is. Listen and repeat after me. Noun. The dog is barking. I have a book. She loves apples. The teacher is kind. Sarah is singing. The house is big. The city is busy. The car is red. Children are playing outside. The cake is delicious. The river is wide. I saw a bird. The sun is shining. The flower is beautiful. The phone is ringing. Verb. She runs every morning. He eats an apple. They play soccer on weekends. We read books in the library. I write stories. The baby cries loudly. Birds fly in the sky. Sarah sings beautifully. He dances well. I sleep early. She paints pictures. They travel often. We laugh together. The cat jumps on the table. He studies hard. Adjective. The blue car is parked outside. She has a beautiful dress. The tall man is my uncle. This math problem is difficult. The small dog is cute. The bright sun is shining. A cold drink is refreshing. He is a kind teacher. The young boy is running. The big house has a garden. The sweet candy is tasty. The happy children are playing. The green grass looks soft. A fast car zoomed past. The soft pillow is comfortable. Adverb. She runs quickly. He eats slowly. They play happily. We read quietly. I write neatly. The baby cries loudly. Birds fly gracefully. She sings beautifully. He dances energetically. The dog barks loudly. I drive carefully. She studies diligently. They travel frequently. We laugh cheerfully. The cat jumps suddenly. Article. The dog is barking. She has an orange. He bought a car. A bird is flying. The boy is smiling. An apple is on the table. The house is beautiful. A girl is singing. An umbrella is useful in the rain. The sun is shining brightly. She gave me an egg. The tree is tall. A phone is ringing. An insect is on the flower. The river is wide. And that wraps up our lesson on parts of speech. Now you have the tools to create clear and confident sentences. Keep practicing, and soon you'll see a big difference in your English skills. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe to English Basics, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Share your favorite sentence examples in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!